Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Corolla door handle, only way. Remove the door panel by prying trim clips gently and unscrewing visible fasteners, then lower the glass slightly to access the handle and linkage. Keep parts organized and take photos for reference. Label screws and clips so reassembly is straightforward. And test latch operation before fully reinstalling the panel to ensure smooth function. Start by laying out tools clearly and working in good light to avoid losing small parts. Use a trim tool to protect plastic edges when removing the panel and a 10 mm socket for bolts holding the handle assembly. Keep replacement clips handy since old clips often break, and use photos to remember linkage positions. Work slowly and test the handle action after partial reassembly to confirm the repair before finishing. Begin with the interior trim removed and the window lowered slightly for clearance. Unbolt the handle assembly from inside the door and unhook the metal linkage clip using pliers or a small screwdriver. Slide the old handle out, compare it to the new unit, and clip the linkage back onto the replacement before tightening bolts. Reconnect electrical connectors, press the panel back in place, and operate the handle several times to confirm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.